I finally got my Dyson and it has been the best purchase ever. It comes with a couple different heads and I love that it has this little screen. It tells me, it has 3 different settings and it tells me how long each of them, how long the battery will be. So, in just a second, there you go. So it tells you as you go how long you have left. And it works awesome, way better than my cheaper, a different brand, cordless one. So this is the best purchase I've made.
The Dyson V11 cordless vacuum is fantastic. It's incredibly powerful with suction that adapts to different floor types, and the battery life is great, lasting up to 60 minutes on a single charge. I love how easy it is to maneuver around furniture, and the attachments make it perfect for tackling all areas of my home. Emptying the bin is quick and easy, and the digital display keeps me updated on battery maintenance. It's a bit pricey, but absolutely worth it for the quality and convenience. Highly recommend.
I don't know if it's a defect or if it's normal, but it has quite a bit of play. This attachment is really loose.